Okay, so have you ever heard of or seen a Leonberger? Look at these, they are absolutely gorgeous. We have Hollywood and Wolverine, and we have Mom Morgan, who also happens to be their trainer. And I'll tell you what, we're at this park in Long Island. We have been stopped how many times? 100?
Can I ride him? That's often the first question a kid will ask when meeting a Leonberger. And the answer is no, it's never a good idea to let a child ride on a dog's back, even when the dog is as big and strong as a Leo. A good-sized Mal can stand over 31 inches at the shoulder.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
It's weird to call you Newfie. Are you a good boy? Can you get up now? I need to wash the other side of your butt.
Lovers of this breed need to keep in mind that they are not for novice dog owners. Instinctually,